Good morning guys, and welcome to my channel again today. My name is Vivian. Okay, I don't know if I've introduced myself, but my name is Vivian. Okay, so in today's video I want to be trying out vegetable noodles. You know, I'm on a weight loss diet or keto diet. So there's this video I saw on YouTube on how to make vegetable noodles. So I want to replicate mine or do it in my own way or style. So in today's video I want to try using minced meat. So also I want to do my own homemade minced meat or minced meat. I don't know whichever one it is, but I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this recipe. So let's start with the minced meat. So I'll start off by taking out all these part of the meat that cannot be blended. So please watch me as I do that. I have to sharpen this knife properly so that it doesn't give me issue. I actually got this meat yesterday when I went to the market, so I told the man not to cut it because I intended to do. Okay, so I'm trying to cut them into smaller pieces because my blender is small, just to help my blender. So this part is quite strong. I'll use this one to maybe do vegetable okra or something. I'll add it to my soup. So this part is the beefy part, I guess. So I'll be diving it into small units so that it can help my blender. My blender is quite small. A food processor, I guess. I think it's a food processor. I'll show you guys anyway. Okay guys, so this is what the beef looks like after I've tried to cut them into very small bits or small pieces so that my blender can blend them. So now I'm going to be transferring them into my blender or food processor. So this is actually a mini food processor, I guess. This is Russell Hot. This is what I'll be using for now. So I'm going to be adding it into maybe 3 portions so that I see how it goes before to see if it will really work. Like I said, this is my first time. I think this is quite small. Let me add more. And I think I'll be adding in onion to give it some flavor. So let me get onion. So I want to be adding some onion to improve the flavor of the meat. So, and also I'll add Maggi. And now I don't know if Maggi is actually keto friendly, but then for now that's what I have. So I try to put in small until I know which is good keto diet. Okay, so I said Maggi. Okay, it's actually seasoning cubes. This is no. So I'm going to be using half of it for the whole. I'm going to be using half of it. I'll keep this one, maybe later use. So I'll divide this into 2. That's the flavor. Okay, so I keep this one. Then I proceed to blending. Okay, so guys, let's start blending. This is what it looks like. Let's see if it goes well. I think it's very nice. It's okay. So, I don't know if this is also the procedure they do meatballs. I'll try that one out sometime. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it into this small bowl. Okay guys, so it's time to try this Spiralizer. There'll be a problem here. This thing is not going to fit in. Hold on, let me get the other part of it. Let's try this other one if it will fit in. Okay, this is I think this is the tail end. I had to cut it because I don't know if I will finish one, so I had to cut it. So like I said, this is the first time I'm using this thing. I just got it, so I want to see how it works. This is the wider part, so this is the thinner part. So let's try the thinner part of it. didn't really work well. It's supposed to be coming out like noodles. Okay, let's stop and see what happens. Actually, I think this didn't really go too well, but it's supposed to detach itself. I don't know what I'm not doing right. But actually it came out like noodles. This is work, detaching it. So I'm actually the one detaching it. I don't know what I'm not doing right, but I'll try again. Maybe this time I'm going to press it well to see if it will detach. But not the video I saw, it wasn't like this. It was just coming out, you know, in strands. So let's try again. This time I'm going to be holding the fruit or vegetable very tightly. I think it's working. I noticed that this thing is quite too fat or too wide for it. Okay guys, so my first attempt didn't go totally bad. That wasn't perfect. But then it looks like noodles. This one is small. I don't know if it will be enough. Anyway, maybe when I add other things to it, it will go rich. So this one, okay, if I eat that really 1 hour, I'm hungry again. Anyway, it's fine. So this is what I have with this. So let's try the what's it called? Which part did I use again? Let's try the carrots. I hope this will be nice. It works. So now carrot again, I don't know if it's keto compliant or keto friendly. Guys, the carrot was a total disaster using the other ends, but next time I'll try again using the thicker end. So at this point I'm okay with this one, but the zucchini came out better than the carrots, so it's fine. This is not too much, but it's okay. So I also want to be doing stir fry with this. You know, in my last video I didn't know what to do with it, but I think I can use this. So I use maybe 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons depending to fry or stir fry these veggies with the minced meat I made earlier. So I'll show you guys how that goes. Start the frying process or steaming process. For now I will be cooking my minced meat. So I want to use this butter. I don't know if this will pass for a teaspoon. But anyway, I'm going to be adding like 2 of it. Okay, so let me add this minced meat. I added Maggi when I was processing it in my main processor. Should be enhanced. So I feel like I need to add more. I don't know, let me just see. Because they say it's add fat, so you can't go wrong with any oil amount of oil you put. So let's just see how it goes. Because I know this meat will still release its own water, its own oil if it starts. So guys, see me. I just went to the living room and I came back. It's already started burning. Oh, it's fine. Oh no, keto. I will chop it. Alright, so now I will be adding a little more, I think a little more water. So off camera guys, I sliced onion and a little pepper so that at least it can go down well. Then this is green bell pepper. So these are the other peppers and onion that I'll be using for this recipe. So I'm adding goes this. Okay, so I think now I'll have to put them in the fire. Okay, so at this point I turned on the heat again while I reduced it, maybe medium heat or maybe lower than medium heat. So I'm just going to saute these items I added. I wanted to add eggs. but I forgot to buy eggs, so I'll just make this one now. Anyway, I'll taste this. I'll taste the meat to be sure that it's tasty. It's okay. I'll still add a little, maybe soy sauce to it. I don't know if this soy sauce is so compliant too, but then I'll add a little at the end of it just to enhance the taste. So for now it's okay. And you know, also the butter contains salt, so the taste is quite okay. I added a little salt, just a pinch of salt actually. What is called? I added a pinch of salt while I was frying the minced meat. And also I just have to be careful with the salt because the butter has salt. So I think this is okay. Let me take a little because of the pepper. So I added pepper, is personal preference. I just added pepper. You know, when you're eating all this veggies, sometimes it may not really go down well with you. Go down well your throat or go down well. So I just decided to put 3 small peppers. We are those tiny ones. So this should do. Let's just fry a little. So I'm going to be adding carrots. Oh, my village people did not let this carrot paralyze me. I will keep trying it until I get it better. Next time I'll be using the other end. So because I noticed that the carrot is stronger than the this fire is too much. I noticed that the what's it called? The carrot is stronger than the zucchini. So I decided to add it first. I love this sauce. My people, this food there, you know what reach me. But anyway, it's in the afternoon now. Doing something else. Okay, I think this is enough. So now I'm going to be adding the zucchini spiral. There was egg. I'll just add egg to it. So there's no egg. Let's see. And I think my other one is about Actually, next time I'll put more of the zucchini. I will not even put this carrot. Maybe I'll just chop the carrot or grate it. The zucchini is better. Next time I will add more of the So this is just purely vegetables and pack for the meal. Then let me just take the little, since I'm need a little. I want to add a little soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Okay guys, so this is a fun part for me. I'm going to be dishing my food. Okay, my noodles. See the way it's looking. Let's do intercontinental design. This is therapeutic actually. I like it. I've never started eating the food, but then I like the way it came out. Next time I'll be adding more zucchini and less carrots. Maybe slice a carrot or grate it. I will not do this spiral thing again. So please, it's dark or black because I added soy sauce at the end of it. So this is it. So I'm going to be garnishing it with some kind of things. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I'll be adding, this is cucumber. I removed the seed inside, so I'm going to be adding this one too for the grams. This is for the gram. I swear I enjoy this. Is my best part of the whole thing. So I have one my avocado pear I bought. It's ripe, so let me add half of this one to it as well. So I want to add a little half of this avocado pear because it's ripe already. So let me just add it to it. But this would not plenty like this. Anyway, they are all veggies, so you can never go wrong with it. Okay guys, so I'm done with the zucchini and carrot noodles. So I'm going to be trying it to know how it tastes. Like I told you, I garnished it. This is avocado pear and this is cucumber, and you know, the zucchini noodles with minced meat. So let's see how it goes. I'm trying it. Whoa. Next time I'll use only zucchini. Wow. So boy, this is enjoyment. It's so nice, and I like the fact that the carrot is crunchy. Wow, it's really nice. Sincerely guys, this is so nice. The vegetables are still very, you know, very alive inside. I can taste the carrot, the zucchini and everything. Wow guys, so this is the end of my video. Actually, this food is nice. I hope that my keto fans try it, or my fellow ketoans. I'm sorry about that, tries it, but this is so lovely. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.